Asikhuluma podcast today is Friday. Nasinto namuhla la. Ungiyengile into. Lied to me yesterday. She lies to me yesterday ukuthi uyeda. Wangethi. Mina namuhla ngithola songigcina amapijama safoka amapijama ngokhumula.
Lo baba ungivite nje ucoca amapijama.
No,
that's so rude, man.
No, yesterday you said you're coming on and they don't go pijama so ngathi I know it's fine. Ngakhumula.
Itolo bokuthule.
Ngakhumula itolo. Mangikhumula. Awu, ngibona imessage. Awu, ayilandzelana ama message. Angisethi mina ngiyakuphi kuphi. Ngathi okay. Namuhla ngageza.
Itolo already ngiyabona ugcinile ngozuthula ukuthi.
No, lana ngigcinele nini ngoba ngigcinela ama dreads ngangise ngathi no like ngikhulisela nuela ngingathuleli podcast. So ngathi hayi namuhla
ngixolela ngangijwayele.
Namhla ngivuke asuka. Ngivuke ngalo cleaner la endlini.
When?
Yeah, so ngikhala na mama. So ngabuyela ngagcoma pijama yabo. Maksuka sekwetela message wa drop amateki ngicela kwasha amateki ngagcoma pijama ngathi hayi no ngikuthemba usudoda futhi so ngathi hayi no angakhumuli.
So na ngitshela ngebhashet nga exist.
Yeah, but at least we had ngisho kuphi. Ubonile kufana.
Mina ngibe next to Black Queen. Abona bengimele ekhaya abantu badozi bamangala kusilolumela ngaphandle.
Yeah, but it's far away from Black Queen. Kunjani phela?
Yaphila ntwana khamba njani? Ngalo ugcina. Konje we think like
I'm not sure.
2030.
It was the month end, yeah, it was month end of July. Yeah,
31
of July. Oh yeah. So nambe ngisolo ngiyeda IK radio. Nani casting ngasi nawo sonke isikhathi.
Na bekangekho lo ubambile lesloping isibambile this week.
Okay.
Say next week but I'm going back to normal yabela 3 to 6.
Don't check next week. I'm telling you.
Uthi ngithi njani njani.
Bathi musikusendela ne message mina yesterday before invite her yourself ngithi mina ngithi ngiyedwa wathi wena hayi wena usay.
Kodwa phela ube nathonalo ngathonalo khona.
No, mina ngifuna kuba na late. Sengathi ngiba nalo wona lo angibinayo ngiba nalo wona like I don't want that.
Bese say yabo.
Ne.
Njatilo but Friday malanga sewahambile Monday is near. 2 days left.
Yeah, no, don't check and go. No problem. How are you, by the way?
I'm okay, yeah.
I mean, I'm complaining.
Ngiyabonga shela ijuice.
Yeah, yes.
Uyayibona le ukuthi le
come on.
Biyani podcast yabo ngathoma free juice.
Hayi funny, mawuphula ijuice yasekhaya bathi ngishaya. No, like these days when Black Queen angathi rejectile kumina njani I don't know look like I don't know this guy this yabona ku what do you call like a business person ngani is a manager that guy. So if ayibona ngathi yena lento yending the way ifuna ngakhona lesinye isikhathi bese kuvela like rejected.
Maye wayangasho ukuthi ufunele njani.
I don't know yena cause give me
communication is key.
akasa communicate na mangimsendela ama text akasabuyi kimi. And then I was not needing him that much. And
nakhona bekuyilona
it's a
marketing strategy.
Yeah,
ngoba bokusho ngani ukuthi
Black Queen. Yeah, I know it's fine.
It's fine, his loss.
No. Black Queen is huge than us, so it's fine.
I know it is, but yonke indzawo ngani nabo ufuna baqala phansi and ukuthi they huge it doesn't mean ukuthi awayithini exposure.
Come on, maybe mhlambe it's for the best ngikwenda ukuthi ngendele la khaya. Yeah, maybe it's for the best.
Velele ngiyindlela ungachubeka nengane
Ne.
So nakhona it's comfortable.
Yeah, it's better. Yeah, ngingcono nyana ngiyangifaka ifeni nyana masicala kulona.
Yabona ekhona sivele ama week.
Hey, keep ama week.
Wena kuvele lo mtolo. Yo, yebani.
No.
Vele siyakhatha same time. And now we post today.
Yeah, no mhlambe ngiyilento ngena sing trend.
Le dami angeke uzabona ngiphela.
But the trend is something no ngiyacabanga sometimes. Yeah, like ngima episode lamanye ngimwendile I thought ngiyolo about trend party. So our trend.
I don't trend, give it time.
No, sengiyasho ukuthi isikhathi lo ngicabanga ukuthi
trend yeah. Ngani popo boy trend.
Eish, siyabuya lapha. Sinje, who are you? Because people do not know you, dog.
Okay, mine.
Let's talk about your life, dog.
Yo, I don't have much of a life.
Oh, just no one doesn't have a life. Even ngiyalo kuthatha kuthala namhlanje nembilo ngayo. So when
uxoxiwe lawo ma-hour lawo. Okay, by the way, mina igama lami ngimCynthia. Ngakabhiya Sibongo. Yeah, 30 something years of age.
Why can man of the
ngiyadlala I'm turning 31 next month ngiyakhula next month ngiconge into something
Oh, happy belated birthday to
angeke belated ngakanje
No, I'm talking about Linda and Tara first.
oh happy belated yeah mara mina ngimoshela shame
No, I also did yesterday. I also did. Yeah.
show to tosiphathela kwe peace nyene yabo
We don't know from last year Lena and both was same so I don't but in 1 month if I'm not mistaken both of me yeah.
mina ngiyotana la shame lami solidla la
No, shout out to that. Yeah, what are your plans for your birthday?
I don't have.
Nah.
I don't have.
You never have.
Angeke ngisho ukuthi I've never had. Mina ngumuntu okuzivele ibirthday ngiyayijabulela nanoma yabani. The fact ukuthi uyakhula it's something to be grateful for yabo because labanye bashonile bangafiti wa birthdays abo laba bashone ngema birthdays abo yabo. So ngibona ngathi ilanga libalekile for the fact ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukukhumbulile uyakhula. But something but this year angaplanele lutho. Ngoba 17 futhi so
mhlawumbe uthola surprise.
Please keep them coming.
You say this month? This coming
next
month?
month?
Oh, next month. Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. Next month, we got
8.
Oh, 8. Oh, okay. It's gonna be during the week.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be Thursday. I'm not sure Tuesday or Thursday.
Okay.
Ngikula netingakara bompetiyana siyabongathola.
No. I know the name.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Yeah. I know. Yeah, ngathi lapho shout out
what
to
the
you.
back. Yeah, bompetiyana abantu bangathi yabo.
Yeah, basisingeni.
Nami mhlambe ngidofika
No, ukhona not spiritual, not physical.
Not
Yeah.
physical.
So yeah, una 30 something years.
31 next month.
Yeah.
Ngimntwana loyi-1 wemfana. Ngihlala khona la elikazi ema-18.
La kona paving khona.
La ngana paving khona, we paving
Yeah,
ema-18.
yeah.
Some parts of ema-18 khona, some parts ayikho. So
No.
yeah. Umuntu webantu that believe in
You believe or you know?
I know.
So
Umuntu webantu.
you're not sure. You believe,
I
but
am.
you know.
Phela manje utokhuluma sokani labanye abantu uyabo ngoba offenda kumbe njalo.
Yini umuntu webantu?
Angikhethi
No.
banihlala nabo.
Oh.
Not per se ukuthi angikhethi ukuthi hlala nawo wonke umuntu but if umuntu are willing hlala nami mangiyahlala naye siyaxoxa ma conversation yabo khala plus uyakhuluma ne stranger kuba ngcono nokukhuluma nemuntu lomjwayele.
Lokho kwende before you read kumbe vele kwende after.
Before
No.
ngiso ngisove mina kahle. Ngikhuluma kakhulu ngivele ngisove yabo
Ngifisa ukubona masokuthayi uzinjani.
Kuba the groove musnam.
Hayi nami group no yish ngime kancane kahle. I don't know but ngime kancane.
Why? There has to be a reason to. I was not.
No like yeah ngimile actually.
My mom and so many now going to socialize.
Can you socialize this group in the pen?
No, but nasa groove ngana socialize. Ubalekela yini ngona usabe usutolingeka?
No na ngisathi figure out like myself
Kancane.
yeah like
Like
beginning
beginning,
into template upside down so yeah so ngingathile mina ngiba too much.
Mina ngiso. Drunk ngisoba ngiso.
Mara for times 2 masokuthayi ne.
Bomni ngiyakhuluma
Ngibona
wena. Kusani?
Ngizele uyathi
Mina ngiyamemetana vele she manenkinga mawunenkinga nalowo she ngicela ungitshele kusasa ukuthi buka la mina ohlangana nalo time ophiza umbikele ngimemete angeke but yeah umuntu nje umuntu bana ekhaya ngiyaphila cishe na wonke umuntu yabo
so khula nabo bani ekhaya
khula kwami ngikhuliswe ngimali nababe both
okay
yabo together with my siblings ngoba ngimila spawn
oh no ufana nami
ngimgcina
okay
umnazi mara ngoba
what's the meaning of Cynthia?
Cynthia it's a goddess of the moon.
Okay.
It means goddess of the moon.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, you went planned, eh?
Maybe ngimlo lapha you never know.
Yeah, ngisinini well planned.
What do you mean?
Nanivele bakhathi banekhaya batalibini bebanplana vele.
And to think of it, mina batali bami bazange bangiplan and batali bami bangithole sebabadzala. My mom was 35, my dad was 45 because there's a 10-year gap relationship there.
Okay.
So the name Cynthia angizange nike batali bami.
Okay.
So there was this guy, beunalo babi, okay, behlala next door neighbor.
Okay.
Kagogo like 19. So ukukhula okay vele ukhule cishe nema-siblings sami ukhulele phambi kwawo so he became family.
Oh, okay.
So mina baba wami bekafuna ukunginema gift. My name was supposed to be Gift.
Oh, okay.
Then back then ngikhumbula
Miss Gift. Miss Gift Media.
Gift yadidi.
Miss Gift Media. Yeah.
Yabo. So bese mbitanga babelomkhulu.
Okay.
Babelomkhulu walithenga leligama.
Oh.
Yeah, like so angathi uswamnika inkukhu or imali or whatever it is, but waligeza leligama la gift wafaka la seed.
Wathenga mbaba wakho?
Yes.
For real?
Mm.
As wena sodaliwe leso sikhathi?
Semkhona. I was named gift.
Okay.
But yena wacela ukuthi awucela ngingabe ngigift nibe ngingisimbi.
So what's yini reason yena?
I don't know. Angifuni
abasaphila abantu bethu.
My dad is usakhona I think mama lo washona 2014.
Lo kuthenga igama.
Babamkhulu asekho naye. So washona
Nambe
nambe ngifisile.
Mara ufuna ukuthi baba.
Baba kasakhumbula wena into la yende ka 95. Phela my dad is old. Yo baba lomdzala.
Ne.
Yo my dad is old.
So mawukhula nema siblings. How many siblings you have?
I have 3 siblings from my mom and my dad. But mina ngikhulele ukuthi sikhule ekhaya sesikhula kagogo. So kagogo ngani kunebantu abamamkhulu. Okay, unfortunately ngingede mamncane lengikhule naye.
Okay.
So bekunabo abantu abamamkhulu nama cousins ambana nabo bomalume. So sikhule very family cishe sibaningi. Yo ngiyacabanga nama siblings sami lamanye awadi.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe yeah.
Mina ngale party usibani bangathi mara labanye bakhona ngibani. I don't know the surname yeah.
Yeah, ngikuthi nibaningi ngani.
Yeah, and bacabanga so ngathi yafana.
Mana niyafana vele. Niyafana. So wena ufana kakhulu na welcome.
Ne.
Yeah, mzwandile uphumile encane mara welcome.
No, like bona baningi vele basithi yafana and mina ngizodwa ngisengakubona kufana kwami nawo.
And uma mention Nkosana Nyoni, manje babuza nguphi? Because there's 3 of you ngisho. There's 3 of you. Yeah, there's 3 of you. So mawuthi yeah, abantu abaningi bathi welcome. Welcome yafanele nami like to be. Abantu naye.
But no sonke siyakhuluma vele like the surname ekahlala ngathi kwenza lo. Yeah.
Ihleli kahle le.
So how many siblings you have?
I'm having 3.
Oh, 3.
There's a firstborn, Mfana, and there's a second born, Ndombatane, and there's a third boy, Mfana. Yeah, third born, Mfana, Sinam. So 2 girls, 2 boys.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Balances.
Yeah, no, balances really cool.
Ngulunkulu bathanzile ngoba phela awumane manje uthi yana ufunda Ndombatane.
Yeah, vele kona family. Futhi Mfana, Ndombatane, yabo ukuthi kumnandi. Cala Mfana egcina Ndombatane.
Isakatane. And the funny thing is, Buddha Mkhulu. We exactly the same.
Like facial.
No, not facially. Behavior.
Ne.
Yeah. Siyafana soyithu. Senalaba labala mkhathini. Nabo bayafana boyithu.
Ne. Senini laba lo mkhathini, lo la mcaleni lekugcineni abafana la mkhathini.
Mine ne first born esekhaya we drink.
Okay.
Laba la mkhathini they don't drink.
Oh, for real?
Mina ne first born yasekhaya sikhuluma kakhulu. Laba la mkhathini abakhulumi.
Nah.
So it's like that.
Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. So nikhula nonke vele in one roof.
Yeah, sikhule in one roof ngoba my siblings amama okay igcine mama kushona. So labanye bosisi wakhe bashone before yena. So
nikhula kagogo mbuyasho, nikhula kagogo.
Yeah.
Kaboma kwakho.
Yes.
Baba wakho bekakho manje lapho.
Bekase kwakhe naye.
Nini nikhula kagogo.
Sikhula kagogo but
baba mama bengahlala naye,
mama besihlala naye, then eventually wahamba wayehlala before her passing bekasahlala na baba.
Nini nishiye kagogo.
Thina sikagogo. Vele sibangela kagogo.
Kagogo nagogo bekaphila.
I don't know my grandparents, all of them. All 4 of them.
Nihlala bomalume.
Sikhule okay mina kukhula kwami. Bomalume nabo besebashonile. As I'm saying ukuthi mama beka ukugcina ukuthi ashona. Okay bona ngiyabakhumbula but I don't have much of memories ngabo. Yeah, nedi bani ngikhule nabo, my sisters, my brothers, my cousins. Yeah, ngibo banicishe lesikhule ndzawonye.
Oh, very it's a family house kahle kahle. Yeah,
umuntu wamkelekile. Yeah, noma hamba ubuye kagogo.
Nanyalo sokunjalo.
Kumnanzi njengoba nyalo vele ngani sebakhulile. Lomunye sonemfati, lomunye sonendoda, sebanemindeni, bahlala emakhaya abo. But yeah.
Alright.
Masihlangana kuba mnanzi.
Bathi akubi nengcabano kini bantwana kumbe kubo labantu labatali mhlambe
siyalwa
niyalwa
Tom and Jerry angifuni ukukhuluma manga shem just because ngibona kuvele yonke imindeni njalo.
Yes, natural.
It's natural ukuthi vele sile sima siblings sikwebhani nana but into lengayisho ukuthi bona Tanzania sa Tanzania let ngoba we may have our differences but we've always have each other's backs all the time.
Mawubuka yini cause ama fight esikhathini esiningi?
Angeke ngibe shock. Okay, mina I'm that even natuke my grandchildren I'm still the last born. Ngimi lomncane bona vele bakhulu kimi. So mina angi-understand ukuthi okay bona bakukhulu
Mm.
bayadi ukuthi mhlambe le ndisukela kubo.
Yeah.
Mina ngingathi ukuthi mhlambe isukela kubomakwethu ukuthi maybe nabomakwethu nabo
Benjalo.
bahwebhana bekunjalo. Oh le ndicala lakithi.
Yeah.
Yeah, but ngiba nalokuthi engqondweni every family fight.
Yeah.
Good family ngalwi siyalwa siyabuyisana sibamndeni. Life goes on.
Aren't you thinking like this thing ukuthi comparison tsene comparana lo munye mhlambe lo compare abantwana balona bafana balona bangcono kunabalona
Nalo kanjalo and nasefamily ngikhumbule ukuthi i-success yethu ngiyiphope at the same time. Yeah, lo muntu oba successful ecala lo munye asalele emuva akukaze kwayendeka ukuthi niphume nonke at the same time akukaze kwayendeka. Maybe naloko kube khona, maybe naloko ukuthi uma bathethisa lo basebenzisa igama lalo yabo. Why ungafani nazibani yabo? Ini wena uva ufana nazibani yabo? Maybe into enjalo naloko ukuthi in each and every family value you always have your favorite.
Yeah, that's true.
Niyathandzana it's fine but kunalolo ukuthi vele yakuthi vele inkosana vele noma ngenzekalani ngiyakuthi noma kunenkinga noma kwenzakala empilweni yami he's there. So unjani?
Yeah, it's no they tema family they know it's too much.
It's too much.
Yeah.
Hey, you don't choose family.
Yabona mina la futhi la bekukhulu so we fight me and my brother we fighting for something that is not ours just imagine. No, the first one. Yeah. Yeah, I understand.
Phela kuvabe ukuthi ulwe kakhulu nalolo lamana naye.
Yeah, mina like ngihlala ngimali ma fights nabo boy too very disgusting thing.
Khanda shisa ngo.
Yeah, some other time like be ekseni be ngisikoleni and bengina macanza. Pani lishisa yabo mama cetha khamba. I don't know we are fighting about what. Nah, nadozo mkhathini. Ngishanga lelipani la lemacanza. Azange ngicine ngiloma. Ngiyela macanza. And bengithatha those ekseni bengihlala ngifaka ama specs la yini. Yabo ka spec. No, before even bangishaya ama specs la yini kanti beyasola ngigubha amehlo yabo. Yeah, but smart. Sengingafakile lapho nanani mangena bo members ngiwakhiphe njalo yabo. So bayabona and I mean every time I'm notice ukuthi ama specs angigubha amehlo ngiyakhala every time. Yeah. Sebagcina bangiyela singafaya because bengilimele la kanti so la ngigubha mase bangibona every time sengikhale kanti
aphuma
sengilimata la manje. So we fight mina nama siblings ami.
Mana nawo ama specs la yellow.
Yeah, no, because smart. When I was young in primary.
Bufunza lo primary?
Icatulana.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. And because smart isikhathi leso. Yeah, abantu abaningi bafuna like ngistyle.
Mana vele into le weird.
Yeah, le
Fana lo waya Galaxy boy.
Yeah.
I won't understand.
And mana abantu abaningi bafaka kwabe
ka. Bawutshekisa and kuhle
bafanele. Angikaze ngithola umuntu wafakile.
Nami ngikukhumbula. Vele wonke umuntu uyotshekisa obeceleni.
And kuba nice. Wonke uyafisa ukuthi hey nami ngiyafisa la. Nengizowatshekisa.
Holy.
Oh, yes, expensive.
Oh, Galaxy boy fanele.
No, I don't think so. Because yonke sekune-replica yonke la mhlabeni.
I know, mara phela ngani banivele bathenza ikori.
Yeah, mhlawumbe phela
kodwa umuntu ofuna ukugcoba.
Mara phela ukhumbula ukuthi there's no one who can differentiate le ori lena is original.
Yeah. Kona mase ngikufake sengitshekisa sengibona ukuthi ngithengela lapha emandiyeni yebo ngicabanga feeling leya.
Nokuhlala lamalanga lapha emabhasini edrobheni lapha la ngasema-terminals yabo. And bathengisa imali.
Oh yeah, lapha.
Labo sesabapaka lapha ngetimoto. Betoto yo.
Mara tihle bahle kuma ke vele. Nama once bought i-coat.
Sithola ngathi emabuto nanani everything like that. Yeah.
Tihle tindodaba vele. And tiqinile.
Uthola abantu bapake ngetimoto lapha. So lento lokuthi
igama.
So long uma uclean
umuhle ugezile ya ngikubalekile.
Ngiyakuva Sinto so ufunza at isikolo primary.
Primary for the 80 Millennium Primary School.
Oh, that's the reason you usisambe so donate time because you
one of the reasons. I'm giving back to the ground, like plant my seed.
Yeah.
Mangikhulisile bona bangifundisa.
It was my first day ngena lapha isikolo.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Yo, I have so many memories there.
Yeah.
Yo,
what was happening?
Bekumnanzi nje, yathi uyabona phela i-foundation phase ngani?
Yeah.
Uyakhula uyajwayela.
Yes.
Bese ngijwayele ukuthi okay nabo men's bana there was this teacher, she was my favorite. Ngiyangizwa njani? May her soul rest in peace. MZ Cause.
Okay, I don't know.
Lona ke lolo owner isekunjalo printers.
Lobot. Okay. Oh, nebehlala nje lama 14.
Ngiyacabanga mama wabehlala lama 14.
Oh, okay.
Washona. I can't even remember when. Yo, she used to love me. Being even uma ngisesikoleni bengiva ngathi solo ngihamba na mama esikoleni. Alendlela ngeke bengithatha. Yo bekangithanza shem. And ngeva kuhlungu ukuthi ngafanda out ngephasing yakhe sekangcwatshiwe.
Ah, shame.
Yo, I was so heartbroken. Bekangithandzela uMakela. Bengangifundisa grade 2.
Bengithi
noma
subjects
all subjects. Bengithi noma senga grade 3. Bengiya umcheck ngemvakasheni noma senga until ngaze ngaphuma. Oh yena waphuma washiya mina. Retirement. Ngicabanga retire sekela grade 4 or 5 khona. Yeah. But then yeah.
Abaphithu
Ngabuva nje but then secondary ngifunze eStindile.
Okay.
Yabo ngiphuma ngalangena la.
Okay.
Ngifunda inkinga
Ngifuna uthatha
bekunzima njani?
Ne.
So kulesi isikole lebantu lokabati uthishera ubati and la ubuya khona bayakwati. So kube nzinyana nangala uyathi
Nzinyana for how many months? Just for
for
a
couple of months. Yeah, ngala uyabothi nesibuye ephembeleni vele siphembeleni behlezi timokhwa every now and then. Yabo abantu bephembeleni basihleka yabo phembeleni. The song that I used to hate up because I sing it. Inyanya ngale indlela ngifuna uyiphimisa lo mama. Nje bebayisebenzisa kuseya.
Oh, ithamile iphembeleni.
Basibona thina abantu abasephembeleni sithi do yabo kubasathi.
No banifikiswe yathi impilo njani.
Mara bona baphathana kahle bodwa basikhetha. And botshwa ukuthi lo wasetendeleni uyoyinda friendship newaselikazi. Thina vele thina besibangani sisodwa lesichamuka khona. So kube njalo. Sabe sise doctor masisena bo grade 9 grade 10 yabo sekudlulile ukuthi.
Yeah, no ngiyakufa. Ngifundisa ngubani kuthishela bathi ngubani manje msika bathi ngubani umthishela bathi ngubani manje loya. Ngiswenge ngubani hayi man nice.
Ah so kungathi central Mr F.
With the F. Yeva ngaya ngimati.
Yo unazijani ngizangilovela.
Yeah, bathi bekabhamula and too straight. Jokes. Mara bathi bekas straight.
Yo. Lo baba beka angabe ngingankinga yena vele beya straight shem. Lokuthi ngadlula noma ngabe nguphi tishela amaneme ngaphandle anengeni mara yena nje angafike MSO no shayisana netihloko ngiduza netivalo ungemuntu ufuna eclassini bekanjalo vele bekasana beyangathusi mara bekana that sense of presence yeah kuthi nakakhona kuyavakala ukuthi senaye even naseclassini uyabo mafundisa lo mnye tishela kuba nalo misindo nyana lebakhona mara yena benihleka makuhlekisa ngiyachubekeka njalo njalo bengathini yeah asifundile bonke babegininza sewaretire lemgondwe
sewaretire ngaba ngibasitemele ngazifunza
bekumnanzi mara lokushini kumnanzi
no Mr F kwamele yophumeni
yeah waretire
so khulile fanele
yeah asebakhulile cishe ngoba ahlangana naye ngelanga ama complex uthanya wasaba amawotwane neni so stupid so high school I was like bengisilenda uthanya amawotwane by every time makangibone hey mawotwane mara inaso khulu uthena mina yasengidla amawotwane that's why I say no back then ngani bengonzi bengimncane ngedini
ne
yena ukhulu
kakhulu ngibona nathi ikhala lakhe lena ya le ngangadi mina ngikwathi usilike semateli bani ngikwathi ngizama
wathi
5 ala ke yiwe ini
wathi la uhlala khona
yeah nathi sendile
nawe ngosathi fafa
kude bofafa kude uyabona abantu itsaba sikoka mekjila so le hormone basi every day disebenza grade khalele maka emsebenzini athi ayibasebenzi basebenza abakabuyile lapha kuzathi clean abathi too neat
too strict yo ngiyafisa kwathi shem ukuthi abantu bakhule njani around yena mara maybe duka abantu abakhe beka soft you never know bakhona phela abantu abanjani
mina abantu bakhe ngathi Sipho nanozipho but ngathi bebangahlali naye
ne there's this mangikhumbula kahle there was this girl bekafunda eStindile Ayanda naye umntwana wakhe Mr F yeah so yeah lethi nje
kuna umntwana bekahlala naye endlini
I'm not sure mina kumadwa vele ngimadile eStindile nakhona nekhansela xa kumfundisi la sengicala kwathi khona
yeah because Sipho uyambona no Sipho mbona ushayile ikhombi
DJ clean nice proper
street
show ukuthi uyifanga kamkhulisi ma jeans
yeah no yonke into vele
ifanga kamkhulisi ma jeans
yeah
umthethe shela
angathi I wish to know ukuthi but I don't think as bakhulisi I'm not sure I don't
mara maybe babanokuvakasha ngathi yathi maybe kuba nema separations maybe bamvakashela but yena umfutile shebe ngoba I don't know about the others mara yena uclean even netaxi yakhe uyayibona imoto yakhe proper
shout out to
him
so you matriculate eStindile
ne
How was high school? Let's talk about high school.
High school.
Yeah.
I met a lot of people, naughty people.
Mm.
I mean, high
You
school.
naughty yourself also.
No, I wasn't naughty. I mean, I think calling us naughty.
Oh, bonus net ngeke ngale.
Bengithanda ama-jokes, bengithanda ukugwarana, bengithanda ukutela. And ngaba nalihlandla lokuthi, okay, ngathi uma ngifika grade 11. Safika grade 11, okay, sathola ama-repeaters laba phinza. Sa-blender in ngoba mnanzi. I mean, esikoleni bengihlala nebanye babhemayo, but bengingabhemi by that time.
Machida.
Yeah. Most of the time vele bengichilela nemachida. Machida awona tingulumo man. Okay, bochile bengihlala nabo, I'm not gonna lie. Mara esikhathini lesine even nanyalo, kule mpilo engiphila nyalo, ngithanda ukuthi vele ngihlale nema-out esikhathini lesine. Machida awona tingulumo. Okay, bahleko labahlebako, but akufana nje manje batani ngathi siphokhana kakhulu, sikhopana kakhulu, so umsindo vele hayi. Angikwazi so ngikhona ikrasa nomuntu.
Kulwa ushubani wa physical.
Wa physical. Hayi verbally again, trust me. Physically physically. Ngiyasaba yo. Bashaya nabantu la ngaphandle. Abantu bashaya nakushiye nalenye into umuntu. Right. So high school was fun. I met a lot of people in high school. High school was
Mdate wakho uqala high school, uqala primary.
Yeah, I'm dating uqala high school, but lebe ngidate nabe yangafunza esikoleni. My baby daddy.
Oh, your baby daddy. Oh, you were a student then. Now you was also a student. Uyafunza kuphi?
Village.
Why wena manje ufunza mimi was village uyafunza lokushini. Nihlangana ku.
Mara unasikolo baqiniso my opinion. Mina village isitindile ngiyafana. Not because of the uniform, but ngiyafana.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, kind of.
So kimi bengazi
Valencia vele kuselokushini kahle by the way.
Thank you.
Valencia is vele sekaya.
Namehlweni mehlo ukuzibona bagebe transport elisabeke yawo.
Yeah, that's true.
Mara benganabo lo ukuthi ngoba ufunza
Ndobona na.
Uyadithaza dizaba. Khona ngala. Sihlala ngakhona ekuhlaleni.
Wangale ekhayini.
Asengone class lo samgwaqo.
Mora musini.
Asema 16.
Ngizowenza samgwaqo. Bengisasho mhlawumbe usho ngali.
Umgwaqo nje main road.
So in grade bani lapho kaSentshorana?
It was benyana grade 10, 2011. Yeah, grade 10.
Sebacoca yabona bangizafuna khuluma ukuthi banza bacoca ngokuthi ngimbrujana ngimbrujana sibani vele ngizaba lenkwati sakho nayindoda bengidate naye kanye ngidate naye nalomunye yabo bayi2 nabochiwe bafunza nje isikole esiyi1. I never know ukuthi bangani abasebangani lo mngani walo umunye. So mabahleli ngena bacoca nana sebakhuluma ngimbrujana bani uzibe bahlele BP yabona BP.
Back then yeah mara mina bengayi but
bahlele round but bashayisa ke. Ngoba lo khuluma ngala ekucaleni ungalicishe ngeligcineni. Lo bala mina yena yobala bani ngale.
Vele ngisangijula.
Yeah. So when isuka njani manje uzotholakala sesemjolweni na?
Sahlangana bengivakashele a friend because bengingana wami Mpumi bekahlala vele naye neshiya komgwaqo.
Okay.
So benginokuthi mangiya kuMpumi naye ntombona inini nanani kanti yabo wakhumbula kade big back then uzibhekisa kanjani. Yeah, so most of the time besinokuhlangana kade big. Yeah, kwaba ngilo history is history.
You were a virgin that time?
No, angikhulumi mangimpende no, I wasn't.
Singekucela nkudla.
Yona phela besemkhulile 16. I lost my virginity when I was 16.
Are you for real?
Yeah. When I think it's besemkhulile ngimncane but then yeah, life is life, hey. Vele ngalethi cast yethu bokucala lapho. Umjolo wethu vele bokucala 15 16 uyaqala uyajolo 15 16.
So bakushaya smash and
no, abazange bokushaya ngesimisi.
Okay, let's talk about your first love.
Yo, I don't want to talk about him. He's married now.
We don't mention his name.
Okay.
Oh, why do I mention people's name? No, we don't mention people's name.
Hello, baby. Hello, I'm Kai. The first mistake that I made in doing.
Why do you say first mistake? Why do you say it's a mistake?
Jola ngalekhaya. Akusikahle.
Ngani?
We find out alula futhi.
Uthi uye date.
Uyomngenisa ku. Ngoba thosi nawe diphumela udelela uyakhona nangu uyabona.
He was older than you, ne?
No, a year. Ngimnyaka, yeah. But we were same grade, same school.
No.
Not same class though. Yeah. So yeah.
So what happened about the first day? Because the first day says something else.
Horrible.
Ne?
Horrible. Angikhumbuli yonke but it was horrible. Yo, it was horrible. Yo.
You're drunken.
I wasn't drinking by the time bengingaqali nothing.
Why do you say it's horrible?
Ngiyathusa.
Scary.
Ngiyathusa,
Ekhaya
phela-
so nje. Phela bathi automatically masofika ekhaya le mawubuya kwendele
Bakubona.
nje.
Amangibona.
Awuthi uhlaseke
Mina mama ngibona nginemalanganyana nje. Bathi wena utshintshile like your breasts yabo. Timba wakho angathi ukuthi yena bekabona ini ngoba yena ngima kwami umtimba wami uyawathi.
Yeah.
So washeshe wakona kungibona ukuthi no la khona ukushama even nale khani pregnant wangibona ukuthi wena no man something is going on ngawe angathi ukuthi yini mara khona lokwentekayo. So yeah, we dated for like
No, the breaker guy.
prison break.
Oh, prison break. Nah.
Yeah, for a year.
Ah, no,
no.
no. So
Ngoba yeyasha phela.
she's why na.
I find out phela ngale ngikutshela yona.
Wafuna uthenga lo muntu kame chate naye inyanga.
No, relation nanyalo bamitheni ngale iminyaka lebamitheni ngayo. But back then bekungulomunye.
Njani khulumisana nabantu mna?
Sebingelelana kamnandi njani futhi. Hi kunjani?
Because some of us we don't.
Ngiyakubona ku radio ini about things like that, yeah.
Because abanye-
Angimzondi plus kuthi into lengayitshintsha ngaloko kwayendeka.
Angeke.
Kwayendeka so kumzonda
Yeah,
kwama
past is past. Yeah, past is past.
At least ne-experience.
Yeah, experience counts.
Counts,
Yeah,
yeah.
and the experience ayithengiswa.
Yeah,
Always tell
one-
people ukuthi that's the reason these days ngihleli endlini ngaphumi nganathi tshwala ngingadate ngihleli because experience into ekuningi, you understand? And ngiyalo sona ngibuyele emuva ngiyarewind and understand and and there are many things ngima experience ngi-experience, you understand? So ngisafisa qala ngiqoqe kahle ngibuye endleleni because
Yeah.
thiningi manje ngifisa khona manje ngifisa ngibarelevela kona.
Okay.
Yeah, khona into manje
Safuna
funa qala ngiqoqe qala nami ngibe mentally
Yeah,
stable,
mentally stable,
you
yeah,
understand it?
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
the spirituality
Yeah.
is strong, the spirituality is
Yeah.
strong. So
Because the questions that comes with them.
yeah,
Ani
understand?
kakhulu
Yes.
ufuna ube prepared.
Yeah, and angifuni ukuthi bathi bekathakiwa so nathi tshwala
My
kumbe
excuse, yeah.
kwatile uhethekile kumbe njalo no kufuna qala ngibe strong qala say because kuningi lenginako ngifisa kutshela abantu kona. Yeah, there are a lot of things ngifisa kutshela abantu.
Engitendeke wena empilweni ever.
Cool, yeah, understand.
And mina yakuthi I believe ukuthi ukhuluma ngama past experiences ethu kuyabafundisa even
Yeah.
nalala abakhulayo nyalo ukuthi banga repeat
The same
lama
mistakes.
mistakes leswa.
Noma nga-repeat asekho kakhulu.
Yes,
Yeah,
lapho
asekho
say choice
kakhulu,
yakho so
yeah.
get because very life is about choices.
Yeah.
Mara mina ngifisa ngathi ngabe back then makhula thina nathi besine ama platforms la so.
Yes,
Ukuthi
understand.
sibukele abanye abakhuluma ukuthi imijolo unjani,
Yeah.
ungajahi,
Yes.
yabo.
Yes, you understand.
Into letinjalo but hey.
So
life-
kungiloko and lost lamana ngavela like but icoach sengigrant
So many.
yeah sengidlule
Yeah.
into and nyalo like I'm starting afresh life yami icala guquka again
Yeah.
ngishintsha and
And kuba ngcono uyaphola ngaphakathi because
yeah no yeah
angeke and futhi when it comes to my relationship I believe ukuthi kuze move on to the next relationship after you break up or
Yeah.
after you find out you
Yeah.
overhitting.
Mm.
Now you need to be emotionally stable, you have
Yes.
to be psychologically stable
Yeah.
ukuthi lo muntu lengiyakuye nyalo I'm giving it all in angifuni iqhamuka nemithwalo phela
Yeah.
kuthi ubuhlungu njani ukuthi so niduke relationship say maybe sene argue or something
Eish.
sekuba nema comparison
Yeah,
yeah
that's
ngiyo
the
lento lento kusho ukuthi awukakadluli
Yeah,
kulesimo sengadlula
yeah but I mean I'm not my relationship I'm not ready for now like I'm cool in my relationship not ukuthi angifisi ukudate ne but mina nyalo ngigrenze ngisa like la ngikhona khona kusema relationship lo ngifixa khona yabo into temhlaba.
Oh,
Yeah, actually relationship.
ngoba usafuna kusho
No,
ukuthi
no, no, no.
ubani lo wakwenda kanjani
Ah, no, into temhlaba yani life on its own.
Right.
Yeah, ups and downs on its own, you understand? So kusafuna nginuse mina. Not relationship. I know relationship but
Yati,
anganzaba.
if I were to talk to you like this 10 years back ngibele ngithembe iwena
Yeah, no, many
kodela bongadiwa khona
no, many people they say something like that and kukahle ukuthi undlule kwelinye
yeah ungadeni somzali
yeah because umdali lesinye isikhathi makehlela letinye izinto la ukuthi kusasa kufuna ufundise khona something but uthi lo wena you understand but chat uthi wena ungasitshela lento le you understand but lo nendlebe udova
Udova, yeah,
and lona uwandlula
Wash,
lapha wash
yeah. Thina mingabuye.
you understand and
Yeah,
all those
yeah,
things
yeah,
that's why
yeah.
uthi njengoba sinala ama platform la so it's so nice you
kuyasida
understand?
kakhulu
Yeah.
kuyasida
But if yabona ngichazile kaze school if bathi sitelengena lesinye isikhathi sithi kufundisa labantwana
Motivation,
motivation
something, yeah,
noma ngeke
kubalulekile.
kungene kubo bonke but
Kubalulekile.
at least you understand because masikhumbula mina ngisafunza even elikazi school bebayethe bafundisi
Yeah.
almost every week if I'm
Nathi
not
besiba
mistaken.
nabo lo,
Yeah,
yeah.
bathi Shumayela benoma emfundisi engimkhohlweni igama lakhe ngathi manje Shumayela abeklasini lethu bengihlala phambili lapho bangifuna phambili
Okay.
ngilithola imali ngokugcina ngasamuva let's go because solo niyahlekana
Yanetha.
niyahlekana you understand so
Yeah,
kuloko
vele
nje. But nyalo sekude
and it's
lokho.
up to us.
Nyalo sekude lokuthi kunema assembly babite abafundisi
Yeah.
everything. I don't know ngikusendeka nje
Hey, angingadi ever. Maybe maybe kwendi, but mina into leyangichaza ngayo because at permanent before nenifika. Masithola ngaphandle nathina.
yes
Bese sibuya phakathi wabangicela vele ukuthi ngende motivational nyana njengomntwana ofunze khona.
yeah
And I came back to give back. So
yeah
kumikisa amapheze etipembeleni, it was more than kumikisa amapheze
Yeah.
etipembeleni. I am who I am because of lesa school. Yeah. Ngiyakhona ukukhuluma English namuhla, ngiyakhona kufunza, ngiyakhona ukubhala. Lesikole siyana nabo mem ngalendlela beba dedicated ngakhona. And kungivisa kuhlungu usibona sesingalendlela sesingayo namuhla.
ayisesivishi nyana
The fact ukuthi bantwana they are not protected enough. Ifenisi ubonile good.
Maruthola gate likhini
Maruthola gate uyabona ukuthi
Ngicabanga ile side yangendaba.
uyabona
Umthatha ngiyawoka so mara ku defense mara
the
gate
whole side
likhini
akunafenisi sengala le fenisi ikhona mara la mkhathini good.
mara bengidraya so yonke mara defense good bengingijump ngale because yabona
akubukeki nalomntwana sho ukuthi hama noma uzubela phasho sinamezubala pha next time ezubela imali shout out to you. So every time angidlula lapha ngimsebenzini vele kuyangishaya somehow ngize ngifise ngathi ngingaba nemali nedi ngibakhele mthangana phela
ebhasi nemthangana nawo lesinye isikhathi ngathi kungaba nalomthangana yabo nje yaSethembeka le finish bayifakile bafakile finish le see-through yeah lokuthi vele yonke into see-through asinge finish le yakuthi uyakhona ukuyijuba abulula nje ngelo so nice babona ngale because unobona sentral mabazuba awumboni umuntu mabazuba ivela zuphe ngale so umbona ngala mbhwaceni lo teacher ngale akamboni umntwana
yeah so bengifuna nje babe na that barrier that protection yabo ukuthi okay phela lapha noma eshinevele angathi ukuthi ngayi umntwana nange break ngiyosabona ukuthi uphumile kumbe utshontshiwe kumbe uyabona ngani bahlala all over the school so kungifisa kuhlungu kakhulu because they are not safe.
I'm not so safe.
Yeah, but
I'm not so safe.
Tolunga wandiza.
Good lot umtshintsha kunjalo.
Manje shows ne tipi ngene lutho.
I don't know.
Ngizame something. Ngisicela ngizame.
Ngani bena babe bandla msibu. Inza ngicela ngandelela ngathi aseshowini.
I wasn't there.
Yeah, ngabe njelela abantu sicela alungisa futhi
yeah hey yena nginayi ngamcelo ngikolo.
Yeah,
giving back to the community that ipolitiki kahle kahle ufuna bayicele lapho ukuthi we giving back to the community ngoba labatali kumele babavotele labatali balabantwana lebafundisa lesi sikolo abekho protected uyovota njani umntali isikolo sobhoke so
you say yesterday you were having a counselor a coming counselor
yeah
for 2026 for 2027 yeah so you're supposed to talk to him usebabe masekufaka lapha first team Pembeleni.
Hayi mara yena uyendile shem uyendile ma 15 bebangana giza I think for 3 months or 4 months.
So what did he do?
Utheng transform
with his own money. Or ucela ama donation.
I don't know ukuthi kwendeke kanjani but it was his idea. He came with the transformer.
Oh, shout out to
him. Yeah, banegezi nyalo. Imagine lobusika lobungani.
Mention his name. Can you mention his name? People to know what sikhuluma ngabani. Oh kana umphakamise
dala shemnyaphakamisa ngithola inkosi Mkhelele Mkhelele khona la ema14 shout out to yena nami ngijabulisa indaba leyo cause labangani bethu lesinokuhlala nabo bokulenza zawutethu vele sichila ukuthi bangala ema15 bese bakhala kakhulu imishibo yabo labanye inkosi ukuthi bayenda ibrayi uyabona ukuwenda ibrayi unexpected ukuthi uyabuka kuyafana ngeuye kobeka kamakhelwane ngoba nonke ngwane nesimo lesiwani igezi maybe ilamakhaya lendas enakoba jwayele enangekushiye mishibo ekhaya libantu
angeke
akwendiki so yeah usebenzile lapho
usebenzile shout out to him yeah ene nyali ngivile basibantshintshela igroup tegezi bathi igroup tegezi bathfanya bese desha
gezi ngivile ngasekuseni breakfast show emsebenzini bebakhuluma ngayo gezi uze wafona lomunye babe vele regular lethu wasepinari
okay
uthi igezi ya 100 rand 15 mawatts
Yabona bathi igezi iyashaya.
and 15 ngeke class even 30 minutes.
Ngikhuluma ngani out yami ithi beyipheka amabhontshisi estofini yalipheka amabhontshisi ngaphandle.
Yeah, amabhontshisi vele sefuna pheka ngaphandle bangwana khasi unless unehasi.
Yeah.
Mara ngaphandle kwaloko
Nanyalo manje lesinye isikhathi babeka ngaphandle kusagezwe endlini. Kahle nje le gezi nyalo sebenele formalite. Fridge TV. Ekhona sabasavulile.
angeke phela ha ekhona igiza
Uthi yashaya.
phambi ya Jojo.
Uthi yashaya igezi.
Mara mina understand ukuthi sesophila njani nyalo.
I don't know. But sine nyalo singcono nyalo because igezi khona. Ejozi base khona lama site yakona gezi khona at all.
Lana ma 15 babuke ngolo.
But lapho bathi vele load shedding solo iyarana lesinye isikhathi banokuhlala 2 days ingabi khona.
Inzabe igezi iproblem ngoba ngithi mangibe emsebenzini ngahlangana nomunye out ngimjwayele khona ngale yabona makhupho ku Basoni lamakhaya ngala bathi kusenhlungu.
Yeah.
Aba uthi bana 2 weeks bangana gezi.
Ngale ngazivele ngazibahlupheka ngale bethe ne training.
Uyakhumbula the last time sikhuluma ba toy. Nemandi baqale bangabe nemandi for days.
Labantu basela kusepinari kahle ngoba bangena toilet ngaphandle phela. Toilet emgodi. Makhaya lamaningi ngale bethi suwa. Bethi suwa. Bethi suwa la ilikazi.
Ezifa sinama khansela.
Nawo yini?
Hawu, isinoma khansela. Ngale khani ubaba usho kusinyalo njengoba kuyoma election sekude khansela.
Ninawo ngokuthi ukhona lo muntu kumbe uyathatha ama responsibilities as a council.
Eshiyena ngale vele angifuni khuluma
I don't want to show kumele ongilikazi.
Kuletinye okay kuletinye tindzawo angeke ube mubi yonke indzawo. Letinye tinto wendile. Sekuletinye tinto enele angakendi kude ngeke libalekile. Sina ngale khasi yahlupheka njengoba bekunemvula so lamalanga lawo. Umgwaqo ubhekile. Ekushoni ufuna kwele njani? Batobuye nyalo batolungisa.
Ngoba kushoniwe yasibulala tinje every day khale belungisa.
After lapho shayini abasabuyi.
Kanje.
Pave cabanga simple pave.
Not even a simple pave yona nje le grading yobala yona nje is better than nothing. Konke umuntu lo representable.
Funa bakwende ngifisa ngathi bangakwenda weekly.
No, angeke bakwende weekly if le mgwaqo right phela.
Mara yo.
Phela bathi wenda weekly if lo kukhale kunemvula.
Nangale ndlela benda ngakhona. They are not giving it 100% because ngasikhathi noma imvula ingani vele kuyagubheka vele.
Yeah, netsena nje.
Timoto tebatela imali phela. Lo munye sefuna ipayike amakhelwane ngoba akhona ingena nemgodi longani 13 ekhaya lakhe.
Yabona inzaba emakhansela guys vele inzaba like mhlambe mnotha aside ukuthi ikhansela kufuna yini umsebenzi wekhansela.
Mina even
ufuna sikhethe njani.
Into nayo lengitshele emkhelele neyitolo mangihleli naye sixoxa. Ngimtshelile ukuthi ungayendi itinto ngoba uyacampaign.
Hayi people they are good.
Ngoba nihlupha lapho niyasithembisa sibe nelithemba sinivotele bacetha lapho seniyarelax ngoba senivalete indodla ku wrong. Even if noma angabi ikhansela. Ngimtshela ngathi angisho uyimember ye-ANC you are part of the community. Qhubeka uassist la unga-assista khona. You don't need to be a councillor to fix my problems aselokishini.
Because yena mangiva abantu abaningi bangalikha ukubona bampraise vele ngale side lakhe la hlala ngakho.
Kuhle njani?
Yeah
bamthanda. Yabona into lebalekile strati.
Yeah bamthanda.
Abantwana bayakhona kuhamba kahle etradini. Le bantwana sebagcungele etigodzini umntwana sowulimele inyawo so yena vele shout out to him.
But truly speaking let me tell you the honest truth ne. Bonke abantu lesibafakile ever since baqale kuvotela abantu baba amakhansela. They don't get back to the community. Truly speaking.
Once they're elected.
Yeah. Bonke.
Ngilendo bengisamtshela yona.
Even you don't find community meetings babite ama community
sekude nema CPF yakhumbula kucala bema CPF
abavani bodwana just imagine lama councillors ona phela lama councillors ona forward why bangahlangani bona babe into le one
enesenza wele one
abavani bodwana every time ungafaka umkhelele ufaka uthi ngale ward bani abavani lo councillor ngani code 19 akavani councillor se ward 19 malls manje mara kuselikazi mara no is why they divide and rule and so lesichubeke ngayo
ene iyakhonka futhi yaqhubeka ene kubuhlungu ngoba basensile vele babathi if two elephants fight it's the grass that suffers ngoba umkulo kwabo kulimala thina siwathola ama service delivery sibona bayala ene bayahola lobuhlungu.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Lobuhlungu bahola that's why ngitshela emkhelele ngathi ungayigcini ngokusithembisa nyalo ngoba ufuna labo X. Once wabathola should it happen ube cancel qhubeka wele letinto lowathembisa abantu udona nakhona if ungabi ngilo there are a lot of things you can do as a community.
Akusilula indzaba ngisho njalo bangaze bakufake lapha, there are many things about ukuniketa tona nawe lo ongacabanga ukuthi khona. Yabona if you outside player outside of the game. Mohle lapha ngaphandle. Once ulapha phakathi. So lo nto lokuyikhuluma wena ngiyena. So it's better ngasibona ngaphandle sengathi observe from ngaphandle ube coach, understand? But a good coach dokutshela lapha phakathi vele ziyakhala.
Ziyabuya iphinde ama-player dokutshela uzasilula ngalendlela kodwa ngakhona.
So ungacabanga ukuthi masola budusi lo muntu lapha phakathi because the system yagola lapha phakathi. You understand?
Show ukuthi vele angevuke kulungile ngoba wonke umuntu utogoleka.
No, umuntu ekufuna lekufuna simfake lapha sala ukuthi vele utothengiswa, you understand? Sekuthi kufuna sithola umuntu uyothengisa le system lapha phakathi. But you can't say when I'm fighting the system while uphakathi. Akusilula. Because one thing for sure, uma baqala kumfaka lapha kule position yakuyo bamngqolisa ukucala. Why? Why? Bafuna ukuthi angabuyi back to the community, understand?
Atohlobo.
Atohlobo, understand? Bamngcolisile, angiyaqala abuye to bakhuluma kabi yena, ukuthi bamngcolisile already. So yeah, understand the game ukuthi njani. So you can't fight the system when you're in the system.
But it's not fair.
That's how they run it. That's how they run it. Where run kanjalo the game. Whether you like it or not.
Shout out to Bomri.
Uranela
Katsana EFF.
No, in textile and many times I got reply.
Yeah, Nami true to that. True to that. Nami getting I'm text.
Yeah, so you can't say you want to be a counselor why you don't reply to
us. Yeah, we are in the
public. You want to be a counselor, but my DMs about our reply. Reply to what you reply.
And among reply my DMs ukukhala uyodiva njani.
Manje so
mina asina ukuqala number yakhe asinayo. Ngabe sine number ngasiyafoni. DM ngoba sidi nama contact details.
If you are a leader, you need to have a time ungena to social media yakho ucheck everything so you reply yakho.
I mean ngicela bacebisa it's just an advice. Lo ithatha lo ngayithatha uyekele impilo echubeka. You need to separate from your personal account nale account le burana wakho cancel.
Manje inkinga yathi angeke kwenteke lokho, you know why? It's because lo muntu loyo the account yakhe le beyi7 exist. So le ngiyele be pop up. Le ngathi ucala phasi you're going to take time ukuthi grow up.
It's going to take time but it will get there. Lapho ngani udotinika isikhathi sokuthi ukhone ukubuya kithi. Because the personal account yakho nabantu vele bangawafuzi ama DM at all.
Yathi noma lo muntu mase bam-electile khanse kantshintsha aqalele enye account but mawusa campaign
lo munye uthi ufaka i-DM ugcwele. You will never
it's better if maso unless you get the account yakho someone else
agranele yona. Yeah, that's
because
yeah.
Shout out to him when they post.
Oh, I saw a post I think Wednesday or Dol. Uthi u21 kune Jojo lokhona ukuthi laba matovela sifo babuye bawuthathe. So that's at least you have in the community.
No babona naye sipho bamntwana
yeah, exactly. It's a good initiative because it's no problem imandi lokushini. Jojo uyafuneka uyathi nakunesifo ukuzigcineka.
But you know when you're campaigning you become so gorgeous, glamorous, ube muhle emkhathi umehlweni abantu. Let me make an example. You are a radio presenter ngani? Before babe Mandla Msibi, before ucala kazi nimbita ukilot thatha sang MMC
ngingathi mhlambe bengisengafika
but ngoyilanzelele icareer if mhlambe uchecka even malona ngani nepost abaposta nana bakile before in history icareer ukilo wafika before.
To be honest with you bengayilele icareer. I don't want to lie.
I think if you want to
even at Facebook bengiva ukuthi kunecareer because my cousins ambe wane ukuthi makudlala amabhola yabo bahlangana nabo mabane bash oh by the way siyakhula.
Okay.
Sebinar ni Shameless join at 28 August. We Friday siya eMsogwaba Sports Ground next to Msogwaba Primary School.
Okay. So
besihlangane ne Taxi Association Top Star. Benda gender switch babonga bomake njengoba sivala inyanga yabomake so you should come through free entry.
No hamba no nibe right.
Hayi wena kanoni inkinga yakho
Guys, I'm still figuring myself, guys.
But you need to be there.
No,
Nani podcast
ngiba
cloud.
khona ngespirit.
Asifuna ispirit. Asifuna iflesh. Asifuna ispirit. How?
Sure.
And nani khatsena ama-pads when you were dragging your feet. Kahle vele ngabe ke ngawabosangwaye.
I know that's when it was nice and being a kunebantu abaningi yabo.
Oh,
That's the
bani
reason
bani?
being no when you're on sharp.
Okay, sharp,
Yeah,
yeah.
because
Oh.
criticize kakhulu and nami criticize kakhulu. So
And baqalile so ibaritheli
no angibalekeli muntu mina. No like ngikhulumela like spirit but
Bani?
ngihlangana kakhulu ne-spirit kakhulu so yabo so ama spirit amaningi bese
okay.
yeah so ngifuna abantu abaningi basebenza into wrong la ngama.
Yeah, asiphume emakhala
So
afanayo.
I'm tired. Before share episode le about trending stories sesintshontshile le about stories that ngifuna sikhulume ngato le part le ngifuna siyende ngifuna sivale about you wrap up ngawe you understand what bizingani yalo like what are you doing, what are you up to bizingani I heard ukuthi urana isikolo sabantwana urana ikey radio.
Yeah, kuthutshara abanyalo ish bakhona vele bomakelemi bangidiyemile yabo bacela ukuthi asihle abantu ababo nanani. At this point ngishajwa sikhathi. I still cause bona bafuna abantu ababo ngibabhalise ma homework.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
On a daily. So mina by the time nomntana aphuma esikoleni nesengisemsebenzini and by the time ngiphuma already it's late. So I'm still trying to figure out maybe if bona bangaba nalo ukuthi ngibaside ngibaprep for my exam ngibabhalise ma assignments things like that bona baside la ma homework. I think that would be better because ungakhona ukubona nge-weekend since nge-weekend ngasebenzi. So during the week it becomes a lot because unengena ngo-3 ngiphuma ngo-6.
That's something.
It's kuyashayisana and angeke ngithi ngiyobhalisa umntwana homework ngo-6 sengiyofika esikhathini mina endlini yabo. So I was thinking vele ukuthi no ngikhulume nabo ukuthi hayi let's just do exam preps, assignments, projects yabo into etinjalo sema homework bona cishe ngathi bangazama because now kuyasitha ukuthi into leshaya umntwana ukuthi agcine angakaphasi. Ngiyathi ukuthi homework nayo idlala kakhulu, it plays a huge role.
Yeah.
Mara nawo lama exam preps atosita ukuthi nakafika ku-exam uyathi ukuthi what is it that I'm preparing for.
But I think being abamnanzi if vele lo muntu uchamuka naye vele from umsita ngema homework nabo bonke assignments vele the way bayifuna
ngakhona but xesha and
so the thing if you compare the station sakho nale yalabantwana which one you picking kahle kahle?
Which one do I love most? Ngiyathanda ukufundisa abantwana, ngiyabathanda abantwana. I-K radio is about building myself.
Yeah.
Yabo. Ngeke wathi future ukuthi isiphathele ini.
Yeah, that's true.
And nami ngangena ku-K radio not knowing ukuthi I'll be exposed. A lot of people know me. And kubhlungu umuntu nakathi, "Sure sister C yabo." Phela ngifuna ngibe nale excitement and angeke umuntu longamadi umjabulele as much as umuntu omadi. But nami kunginika that confidence who's no man. It's either ungibonile Facebook or TikTok or uyalalela. So kunginika that confidence because no maybe I'm doing something good, I'm going the right path. But ngize the first time ngihambe ngendi breakfast show from 6 to 9. So lapho bengikhona because 9 o'clock sengiphumile emsebenzini. Bantwana baphuma esikoleni I'm here. It was better by then. But since into setshintshile sengenda i-power drive. Sekuhlukile because ngena ngo-3 bantwana baphuma esikoleni by that time. Ngo-6 nangiphuma umntwana sosekhaya. So ulungisela kuyolala it's late. So
couldn't arrange any station.
That's what I was thinking. I'm not sure, but I still have to prepare. Like
you got a lot of things on your mind, eh?
I've got a lot of things on my mind.
No, yeah, so it's one of the things with me and Konya gebandwini. You understand?
There's a lot of things that
I want to do. That ngikhuluma ngayo. Nami ngimlo njalo since you understand? That's the reason ngiyabe ngirana i-podcast. Ngwashamateki busy nge-game change, you understand? Don't difuna mina dithi ngasikhathi sami
and now uthi ngasikhathi sami.
You understand? And lele ngiyithandayo kakhulu ayingiletheli imali. You understand? Lele ngiyithandayo kakhulu. Sithi abantu i-game change. Ngiyalapha is NPO. You helping people for free. You understand? And you need funding. You understand? So I can't do it.
Funding, guys.
So I can't help people. You understand? And ngicina sokuqabana nebantu nyathela abantu inyaka ukuthi so naka ma problems ukuthi wena so ngoba ini why when this you understand so ugcina ukupha letinye into letingafunakanga.
Mara mina yabona if there's one thing that I told myself that I'm telling myself every day ukuthi noma ngabe ngibani lohlabeka ama cons if you can't do it then let us try.
So kuba ngiloko because into eziningi baze banginyathele mina is those things le game changer kasi ngicala it was booming ne le page like WhatsApp it was booming but mina ngayibona ngathi I'll worth it. You know why? Because bebasa politika lapha.
Oh,
akusasi agenda lehamba sengakucala delete abantu and baqala ukungifonela bathi ndoda ngoba delete abantu create another group leyana ibe khona no i group sekuyaliwa lapha
sinana lo create show
seyiba personal no wena lento lo ibuildile is so big and abantu bayibona it's yes it's particularly lo ngitshela ukuthi nami bengisalimala mentally you understand. So now I think you need to sit down sometimes and think because I know I'm going to expose la ilona ukuthi Kero de kwendeka la but this thing maybe you can build something about lendo yabantwana.
I wish
I'm telling you because even nalelo yakho besinga join venture ngiyabekisa if someone lofisa ukuthi mina ngifuna ukubhadalela abantwana laba i10 from ngibhadalela baqhamuka game changers bafaka kusinti. You understand?
Babhadala school fees or something like that.
You understand? Yes. Lokuthi mabaphuma esikoleni baya kusinti
boncedakala homework nanani.
You understand? Because I see the exposure yakho ngale but ifuna sibude exposure iyapi naye. Are you getting anything from the exposure now? Because exposure now is too dangerous sometimes.
Yeah.
You understand? Because you're gonna be there but financially you're not there.
And to come to think of it, kulenza ema-Solitary Towers lesayena.
Yes.
Because besinakhangiswa khumbula nabongani.
Yes.
There were people that I spoke to before ngikhuluma nakhangiswa nabongani.
Yes.
Nyalo bona sebafuna mina. Yeah manje senda njani.
But they were there.
And I'm like shokuthi nini beningabelieve kimi. You needed someone to prove ukuthi I can do it.
That's the problem.
And mina ngeke ngisebenzele ngomuntu njalo.
That's the problem.
If ngikhamka ne-idea ngiyipicture, give me a chance. Let me try and fail than ukuthi deny the chance to try.
That's how that's how people they run businesses.
Exactly.
You know now running podcast. What's in the how many subscribers? Now 700 and something. What's that? You still playing?
Ayokhula njani angathole lithuba.
But angeke ukunike into ukuthi ungimarketele because you're not big.
700 and something is a lot.
No, I'm just making an example. But we are down, you understand? So those people that took drag it down.
Ufuna le council ufuna 1 million.
You understand? And our mistake, mase wena so uthatha le opportunity yakhe ngiyeta yona. So drag past abantu bohamba nabo cha. That's our mistakes. You get what I'm saying? Lo muntu lo so divertisa kule ndo bohamba ngayo. Agenda lokuhamba ngayo.
That's why ngisinevele angibafuni. Ngeke ngindiyami nalabantu lengathembela kubo.
Before we started shooting I told you there's a neighbor of mine ngicela kwena na podcast long time ago 3 years ago and azange refuse per se what's a story but now I see him in another podcast and ngathi how wena what's okay sesingenda nya but singathi mina ngathi idea laba ukuthi how lo masasuka la sokuqala kimi no I mean ngicela ukukhuluma naye before this but all those 4 people that they were there nawacela kutsala onke la mahotman nawacela kutsala all of them
and we're going to do it with
you get what I'm saying. So now ngikutshela ukuthi you can be big but ungasi big esikhwameni. You understand? As you say but no sister but you still walking barefoot labanye bakunika ne lift labanye you get what I'm saying. Umuntu ufuna ukuyuza for a certain benefit yakhe. That's the reason I'm telling you, Black Queen, what is happening. You understand? We see some things they are for good, for the best. We see back reject for that time. Kani uhamba nyalo la uhamba kono so hamba ngeline current. Nyalo man ngena la ma ancestors on more.
Yeah,
you understand? So sine esikhathini esiningi maku reject umuntu akuvalela iminyango lesinye isikhathi. Umuntu kokoti bangasabili uyakwata ka no uyakhula. You get what I'm saying? So that's the reason there's another guy call it Kansi influencer. Lofunza stindile. Yeah, it's Kansi influencer kumbe kasi bani. That guy man lofunza Central man.
Who's he?
Basingibani man. Lo mando lo ya Sonzela.
I don't know him.
You don't know that guy?
Dumela.
No, he's a motivator.
Ne.
Teacher Sesendil, and now
Was
that's
it Central?
the Central, great guy. Okay? I'm sure saying in the 3 episode.
Stop,
Yeah.
ngibukele.
And in YouTube, it's big, bo million plus. Ne? But in other YouTubers, it's big.
Shows we need him phela.
No, I'm just making an example. You
In
understand?
terms of motivation.
So he's one of the people no poison.
Ngiva ngathi yakantini.
Yes. Athi kimi wena so lahlele vision yakho ukuchamke nayo le podcast. Your first thing was a podcast. I-game change ichamke after. Ilona emastic sneaker wash sichamke after. You understand? So le tinto leto ufuna ukuthi usebenzise le podcast advertiser le tinto leto.
My point exactly.
You understand?
My point exactly.
So sina uyogcina utilahla wena
And then ukuthi into lebhorako yini? Into lebhorako mina my dad used to tell me ukuthi Cynthia, do not burn bridges.
Abengabhena.
Akusikahle into njani. Ngibona ukuthi bangene confusion at the end of the day.
Not my bridge ngisho abantu.
No, I'm talking about myself. Ukuthi ungaqali into bese sewuyishiya emkhathini sewuzubela kwenda lenye. Nale lenye lozubela kuyo it won't be successful because the first one wasn't. So my something yini mina vele mina angathi ukuthi I think I have my mom's heart partially. Mama bekalungile bekathanza futhi sita. Yes, she had her own flaws ngoba nayo uphila emhlabeni evini lentona but bekangilo muntu bekathanza kusita abantu yabona especially because wakhona ukukhulisa bantwana bema siblings abo kwe6 kama makwambe bayi7 so wabakhulisa we6 after abatali babo bashonile and ukusikhulisa kwethu angathi bona maybe bangafeel angazuthi bekunema differences because mina ngimlo mncane angithindi ukuthi ngibengadi but I feel like lento lesingiyo namuhla that is because we were raised by one woman and usikhulise ngelithando that's why nathi siyakhona ukuthandzana akazange abuke ukuthi no lo mntwana seswami lamunye imindeni bantwana babo seswabo bayahlupheka lamanye bahlala phansi kwamabridge abananzaba but yena she took us all in with my dad nababa bekane role la idlalayo even nanyalo ma siblings mntwana mamkhulu uyakhona ukuthi nakalobola bablo mncane bambile ngabablo mncane ngani makwami bekunguye la sibonto emantombazana so ile role leyo uyidlalile because basamkhumbula even today sebabadzana ukuthi no if I need help bablo mncane ukhona yabona tinto letinjalo so into lengizama ngisho ukuthi I want to give back even though I don't get anything in return it's okay as long as imntwana athole yangivisa buhlungu lengelanga the reason why ngaqala inzaba yema pets ngabona lo mnye mntwana like beka agcobe imali ngine magcobe imali ngingi okay lo mntwana uyambona ngalendlela ahamba ngakhona ukuthi ngintombazane ngakhona kubona intombazane le uncomfortable naye hamba ukuthi njani it's either semapainini or something is wrong down there mara ngambide lucky enough she was ready to open up game wangitshela ukuthi mina sengicale yabo malanga mina ngiyasaba batshele ekhaya yabo okay ucale malanga manje ngiyalo wende njani faka itissue understand ihliziyo yami yabhlungu because itissue iyathamba and the minute ithamba iyangena ifika lekhathi yendani iyamosha usasemncane mhlambe sowufe sibeletho kumbe sowufe endini that's how the idea came about then ngakhuluma naXola is our producer ngathi Xola yathi nento lento ka so how about ngile so that's okay ngakhuluma nabo bungani because bekasihelphile back then ngoJanuary sinike dachathuta esikolweni emasheni nanani for bantwana shout out to Bongani Malubi yes
shout out to you
so mangikhuluma naye wathi Bongani draft proposal ne-letter head yabo everything ibe proper professional ngacela Xola wangisita ngaloko sayibhala we submitted mase submit by approve basithengele ngakho nje 400 yeah yes, 480 because together mabana khangiso yes together mabana khangiso shout out to him ever khangiso
bashidela this month singaze stopini
siyaqhubeka futhi we doing it netnyalo we need to go to different schools singakayibuthi to choose to continue on but yeah shout out to
mina let's do it even nale nento bayikhuluma ngayo ukuthi let's come and teach
motivate
understand so lebo makwamkhona she was a former
teacher that's a good idea
we can see other people we can take about someone who ngakhona preach
verse abafundzise
need for 10 minutes
because nabanye abantwana abayi ma Sunday school ngasita kakhulu
I think if singaya mhlambe to different school isikole esi1 mhlawumbe masubmit athi uma ukuthi nawo lama-pads livikele i1 sekule sikole esimane-assembly livikele i1 sekule sikole esimane-assembly njalo
okay,
yeah sifike
okay.
simotivate share ama-pads bathi yobona ukuthi badistribute njalo
Yeah.
next week njalo
Ngesikole.
until kuphela inyanga njalo I don't know.
2 years
That's why
kuphela
I told you the other time ukuthi kufuna create a group lesikhona kuhlangana kuyo
sikhulume sonke ama-ideas yeah,
I
we'll do
think,
that.
yeah.
We'll do that.
So another thing lo busy ngayo, what you wish in officer, what do you wish people to that they wish to support you?
ngifisa ngathi ngiba ngisupporta kule initiative angifuni kuphelela tuke ama-pads kuphela diney'tilo bantwana lebatidingako
Yeah.
yabona labanye abantwana abanatimpahla tasebusika yabo makhata laminye imindeni ayinadingubo siside nje with the little that we have if someone nyalo ubukele le podcast leyangosana
Yeah.
if you feel the need or you have the capabilities ukuthi ungasinceda come forward text at Facebook or something or anything nje yokuthi ukhona exhumana nami so that we can give back to the community because nelibhayibheli liyasho ukuthi sibusisekile esandleni esiphako ngiyasamukelayo
Eish.
so I believe ukuthi even though ngeke ngibhadaleke or ngithole ama-rewards namuhla angathi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngibekele in 10 years time
Yeah, ngandivela wendeni Mario.
and angendeli ma-rewards mina ngendlela ukuthi kusitakale labantwana
Yeah.
and not bantwana kuphela but wonke umuntu emphakathini last siyende i-women's month competition
Yeah.
sinational
Okay.
together with EB Designs Eugene Bila
Okay.
ukuthi athungele make ishweshwe lesihle seswi-Mother's Day and we did that
So shout out to you.
wasiwina make wasipha futhi an extra i-2 piece like it was a skirt and a mini top for bantwana
Yeah.
like kids yabo i-young lady tokhula kusasa abe mfati that's what we did
Mm.
nyalo I don't know ukuthi bantwana bayaningi farewell
Ngivele ukuthi ngathi
September or something
yeah labanye sebayile kule nto ikona.
unfortunately sengilady but lala bangakayi ngithole a lady lotoyenda girl ihloko ngathola ibhaba letoyenda lomfana
Boy,
ihloko
mm.
nyalo I'm working ukuthi ngithole lebantu bagcokisa
Oh.
yeah
Okay.
because it doesn't have to be something new it doesn't have to be something that you have to buy
Inyuku lomuntu
inyuku lomuntu khona lirogo lokuthi uke waligcoka maybe
Kayi-one.
emshadweni kayi-1 yabo or leyo blazer leyo lewayigcoka maybe emalobolweni kayi-1 awuphindisa wayigcoka
Yeah.
nayo ungadonate ngayo uyayiletha K-Red uyasho ukuthi nayo iblazer sayithatha siyimikisa kuphi ma-dry cleaners ayiwash iyabuye ibanye umntwana uyagcoka uba muhle of course
Sivarasini.
Supporteni guys kuko konke lesikwendawo ningazivaleli ngaphandle ningasikriticize we are open for ma-suggestions but ningasiphula imoya ningasidragi sideni kuze nebantwana basitakala ukuthi wena namuhla impilo ikuvumile akusho ukuthi sonke impilo tozivuma ngale sikhathi lekuvuma ngaso God's timing is never early it's never late it's always on time so yonke into itohlangana nethi nje sinike lelo themba nisinike naleyo support
Danko.
danko
Ngithole ijuice lenye.
yeah